Well, looking out the window, it gave testament that the forecast was actually right this time. 170-mile-an-hour winds and snow turned to rain, so I couldn't really blow the snow. I had to move it with the bucket. Made for a lot longer day.
We had a doozy of a storm, and in some places 170-kilometer-an-hour winds. So even today it's like 70, 80-kilometer-an-hour gusts, and it's minus 20 with the wind chill factor. So it's far from a nice day, and a lot of people are running out of resources to heat their house, so their pipes could be broken. I built this little generator house. It's a temporary thing. Keep the generator all dry.
Well, there's nothing like being prepared, so we filled up the bathtub.
Well, to tell you the truth, if I filled that bathtub full of whiskey instead of water, I wouldn't have needed a generator or anything. So maybe it's food for thought for the next time.